Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into your energy to see what the heck you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Take what resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, don't even deal with it, okay? But we have a new lover here. Yes, we do. We got new lover energy out here. Let's go ahead and get into it and see what's going on. I could be speaking to a masculine. It could be a feminine energy, placed whatever way it needs to be played. Now, if the reading resonate, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button. Leave your mark in the comments as well. Let's go ahead and clarify this new lover. What's going on? New lover. Personal reading down below in the description box. New lover. Oh, we got a golden mirror, y'all. I don't like that. Clarifying this new lover, golden mirror. I see a self-absorbed narcissist, one-sided relationship, love bombing, energy out here. Y'all gotta be on. Keep your head on a swivel, you guys. It's like you got a new lover coming towards you, or you may have a new lover, and this person could be a narcissist. Okay, so take what resonate, leave it does not. If it doesn't apply, let it fly. Let's get into this new lover, golden mirror. Clarify this new lover, golden mirror, please, Spirit. New lover, the golden mirror. One more. New lover, the golden mirror. What's going on? New lover, golden mirror. Gratitude. Equal give and take relationship. Is at the bottom of the deck? So the first card that came out is I'm no longer happy in this relationship. So it looks like somebody possibly wanted an equal give and take relationship, or at one point of time it was what you thought was an equal give and take relationship, but now there's energy of someone who's no longer happy in the relationship with this narcissistic energy. It seems like somebody's in the energy of utilizing their intuition or trusting their intuition, especially when it comes to this individual. This is the energy of it, like you're taking off the rose-colored glasses, especially when it comes to whoever this person is. And I'm seeing an energy of revenge. Because with a narcissistic energy, they don't want to let you go just willy-nilly. They always got to have, start some drama or cause some sort of living hell, especially when it comes to you having your freedom, independence, or not wanting to be with them because they don't know how to accept or take rejection. So I'm definitely, this could also be an energy of you guys having some sort of revenge on this person. Place it whatever way it needs to be placed, but let's go and get into it. Look, I'm just here just relaying the message. I did definitely see the devil card, so I am definitely seeing the energy of someone being very toxic. Toxicity is here. All right, is in the building. All right, let's go and get into it. Clarify. I am no longer happy. What's going on with the YouTube collective? I am no longer happy in this relationship. I am no longer happy in this relationship. What is it that we need to know? I'm no longer happy in this relationship. One more. All right. So clarify, I'm no longer happy in this relationship. Somebody felt trapped. Somebody felt restricted while being in a connection with whoever this person is. And it seems like somebody had patience at one point in time. That's what I'm saying here. They possibly thought that over time things will work out, things will heal, things will get better. But I'm seeing an energy of someone placed in a situation where they have to make a decision. Were they gonna, like, leave? I'm saying this was, like, a stressful decision, possibly a difficult choice or a painful choice to make, especially in regards to leaving or staying with whoever this person is. I'm also showing the energy of whoever this person is, this narcissistic energy possibly was entertaining other people. But I'm definitely nonetheless, I'm still seeing an energy of someone having to make some sort of decision or choice, especially in regards to not being happy in this relationship. Would you mind clarifying, I'm no longer happy in this relationship? I'm no longer happy in this relationship. I'm no longer happy in this relationship. One more. I'm no longer okay. Y'all, why I'm also feeling like it would seem like it was no love, it was like a lot of lust. 'Cause I don't know the words of the song. It's like step one, I'm gonna da, na, na, na. It just sounds like bedroom music. But anyway, clarifying this like an energy of feeling trapped or restricted, I'm seeing like there is a new beginning, a new relationship. Somebody been possibly focusing or thinking about having a new relationship, having a new connection. Someone has air in their chart, King of Swords, logical individual. It seems like, again, like I stated, there was no type of emotion. It was like straight logic, head over heart decisions, very unemotional, analytical individual. And I'm seeing someone going through the hermit mode. It seems like this is cause for someone to go through some sort of spiritual enlightenment or self-reflection in regards to what they want in a connection or in some sort of in a relationship, to be happy. So I'm seeing an energy of someone trusting or utilizing their intuition moving forward. Let's go ahead and clarify this. Use your intuition. Yeah, somebody went through some sort of soul searching. I'm seeing the process of searching for deeper truths, especially when it comes to self and what you want and what will make you happy. Clarify, use your intuition. Use your intuition. I'm gonna tell you the two cards. Clarify and use your intuition. The first card that came out was lack of enthusiasm. I'm seeing an energy of sadness. I'm seeing an energy of ego, unrealistic expectations. Okay, or maybe this is what this person tried to instill in you. I'm seeing an energy of despair or focusing on the negative side of things. I'm seeing someone having a lack of faith, a lack of information, mm, a lack of inspiration. I'm seeing an energy of mutiny here. Clarify, use your intuition. Yeah, especially when it comes to you taking a leap of faith in a different direction, leaving, starting a new beginning and leaving something behind. I feel like someone is trying to, or have been instilling this into you as if you can't do it or making you feel like you can't do it. Yeah, it's like creating some sort of insecurity in the Empress. I'm seeing like breaking the Empress energy down, and Spirit wants you to trust your intuition and not listen to what someone else is telling you, because I'm seeing a lack of confidence here, a lack of growth. I'm seeing an energy of someone being overbearing, causing disharmony. Okay, there's an energy of negligence here. Neglecting yourself. Use your intuition. Use your intuition. I'm seeing somebody juggling. Okay, this could talk about juggling financially, okay, juggling emotionally or something like that. But it'll like in the end, something works out in your favor because I see you still moving on. I'm seeing an energy of stress, financial stress. Also, like juggling in a partnership, like this person possibly was juggling. This is like juggling on an idea, what you're going to do. But again, I'm seeing an energy of finance. Things are going to work out. I'm seeing you moving on. There's energy of success. There's energy of victory. I'm seeing in the end, you have some sort of advantage when it comes to this, you know, getting away and utilizing your intuition when it comes to this narcissistic energy that wants to keep you restricted or trapped or stuck. Okay? Y'all got to be careful because, again, this energy is coming out as a new lover. Okay? Yeah, I'm seeing you having some sort of advantage, energy of you moving forward from whatever this energy is, because it seems like this person make it seem like they want to team up with you and collaborate with you, but it's going to be one-sided. I'm also seeing energy of you being backstabbed, betrayed. This person going to be talking cold, crash shit about you, possibly telling people your secrets and business and stuff like that. People going to know more about you before they meet you than what you would be able to tell them, because you got this person. Oh my God. Let's go and clarify revenge. Well, it seems like, y'all, I don't know why I feel like this person wants revenge because you left. They want revenge because you left. Well, this could be you having revenge on this person, but I really don't feel like y'all even want to look back to have anything to do with this person. Fight for this revenge. This person might even try to utilize getting in another relationship or connection and making it public to try to cause that, like create some sort of revenge to try to make you feel some type of way. Okay. Yeah, they wanted to have a revenge because you moved. There's an energy of you guys having foresight. There was like future planning. You guys had a plan, and they don't like that. Revenge. Mm. I'm seeing you guys finding the mental strength. I'm seeing you awaken, rejoining the world, coming out of this energy of isolation and letting go with this hangman. After a period of time of waiting, I'm seeing you releasing and letting go. Yep. And I see you focusing on building something of your own. I don't know if there's some sort of building of a business, trade, reputation, or something like that. Okay? But it seems like this person wants you in a situation where there's an inability for you to move forward. Okay? They want you to complete, keep repeating a negative pattern, a negative cycle. It's like an energy of this person wanting you to be in this energy of dependency and resistant to changes. Anything else? Yeah, I'm seeing an energy of disharmony here, trust issues, imbalance, and conflict. I'm definitely seeing an energy of disconnect, a disunion. They want you to continue to invest in this toxic shit. Yeah, because they're coming out as the devil. I'm seeing an energy of secrecy and bondage. This person is possibly very angry, hard to get along with. Mm. And I'm seeing an energy of regret. I feel like this is like an energy of them doing things wrong to you, but then they want you to apologize to them because of the things you responding to what they said or what they did. I say you expect you guys obtaining some money. Yeah, and this person don't like that. There's any it caused conflict. You obtain some sort of abundance or have some sort of solid foundation, and they want to argue, fuss, and fight because you have a solid foundation. That's what I'm saying here. It's like them going through some sort of tower moment. This is also talk about, all of this happening unexpected, but it's happening for the best for you. Is what I'm saying here with the Justice card. It seems like there was a life lesson that you need to learn, but they didn't learn, but they trying to keep you from moving forward. I'm seeing you standing in your power and moving forward. There's an energy of leadership here for you guys. You stand, like again, it's like energy of leadership. You standing in your power. I'm seeing this person is in this energy of sadness or will be in this energy of feeling lost, whether they show it or not. I see the worst is over. You leave whoever this person is in the past with the Six of Cups. You leave them behind and move forward and close and end into a cycle. All because this person wanted to self-sabotage. With this Five of Swords, I thought they was going to get away with something. I'm seeing an underhanded behavior, deception, aggressive, okay? Type of energy now. I'm seeing energy of them all that they thinking about you. There's energy of unhappiness and stress and burden and mental anguish and guilt. Energy of feeling overwhelmed because they can't control you. That's what I feel like. I feel like it's because they can't control you, they can't possess you. And you stepping into this abundant period. And they have no ties to it whatsoever. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.